Hi guys, Garrett Pearson here. Welcome to Software Secrets Day 32. And today I'm going to tell you a story as to why I chose software. Software as a career, software as an entrepreneur, software as a business, whatever you want to call it, why I chose it. But first I want to welcome everybody that's new. Thanks for watching these videos, and if you like these videos, please click the like button below or wherever the like button is, and share it with your friends. We'd really appreciate that. That helps us know if you're liking these videos, and also leave comments of what it is that you want us to do. What topics, what questions do you have? Leave comments below. So today I'm going to tell you why I chose software. So this is just a story as to a little bit backstory as to why it is that I got into software. Some of you that have been watching these videos saw last week, about Thursday, Friday, that I was really sick. Still got it in me, but on heavy antibiotics, going to get better. So anyway, just a quick update on that. So back about, about 9 years ago, I was working for a healthcare company, and during that time on the side, I also started a e-commerce company. Okay, so I was selling Bluetooth headsets, and I still remember my website. Ended up selling it, but quite a while ago, but was selling products, and it was interesting because I enjoyed the process of building an online company and building an e-commerce store, but selling products was it was hard. For example, if I wanted to make money this month, for example, let's say January 1st, and I had to sell 100 Bluetooth headsets to make a profit, right? That means in February, I got to sell 100 Bluetooth headsets to make a profit again. I got to go out and find 100 new customers to buy these Bluetooth headsets. And Scott Bradley, my business partner, same thing. He was selling products on an e-commerce store. And although we did well and it was enjoyable, it was just really hard to make a profit each and every month. And so that's where software came in, and that's why I love software, and that's why I'm telling you this story, is because software is so powerful. And the reason is 2 words, okay? Recurring revenue. Okay, I'm going to say that again. Recurring revenue. Now, if you are going the software route, which hopefully you are if you're watching these videos, recurring revenue is the key to the success of any software business, software as a service. Okay, whether it's monthly recurring revenue, daily recurring revenue, which I don't see very much, or yearly recurring revenue is the key to the success of why we've been able to build an Inc. 500 company, why we've been able to live the lives that we enjoy living, and gives us the revenue and the profit that we need to hire good people. So let me go back to when I was selling e-commerce or selling products. Like I said, everything I had to do was every month I had to sell 100. Let's just say it was 100. Okay, 100 new customers had to come in and buy those Bluetooth headsets, and then we had to ship them out and all this stuff, right? So then software came in, and about 8 years ago, Scott and I started building software, and we were able to see the power of recurring revenue. So let's go back to the 100 example. If there's 100 customers paying you monthly, okay? Every single month you've got 100 customers paying you monthly. That means those same 100 customers are going to pay you next month. Yes, there's churn and there's contraction, or there's people that are going to fall off, okay? And that is a part of software as a service. But even if you had 100 of those customers, and even if 10 of them fell off, next month you still have 90 customers paying you that month. Now, if you're building your company, that next month, if you get another 100 customers, Okay, now that month you had 190 customers paying you, and then the next month after that, let's say you've lost another 10, okay, you're going to have 180 customers paying you the next month. You go out and get another 100 customers, and it's just compounding. It's like the compounding miracle, right? Of each and every month you're going to be adding to that recurring revenue. So powerful, so exciting. So now it comes when we're building these software companies. So for example, we met last week, and for software funnels, we have a goal of hitting 1,000 users, okay? And that's not very many. It's by the end of the year. So let's say we launch in May. That gives us, you know, a good 7 months to go out there and start marketing and getting the word out. We want 1,000 users, and that's going to get us at 20K, so 20,000 MRR, monthly recurring revenue. We're going to have 1,000 people paying us $20 a month to use software funnels, and that's going to be 20K MRR. Then the goal after that will be, okay, what do we need to do? How many customers do we need to get to that 83,000 a month MRR? That's $83,000 a month MRR, which gets us to $1 million ARR, which just means we'll make $1 million in revenue in a year. Okay, and I know MRR and ARR. Some of this is technobabble, but just think of MRR as monthly recurring revenue. Okay, how many customers are going to be paying me every month? Every single month they're going to be paying me. Okay, and then ARR is annual recurring revenue. How many at the end of the year, each month, how many customers are going to be paying me throughout the year, and what am I going to make that year? And once you start playing with that math, it is super fun to start building these software companies. And that's my story. That's how I got into software, because I saw the power of recurring revenue. And that's what has to be your driving force. This isn't necessarily your why you're going to do it. I mean, money is just a piece of what comes from building valuable products. But to look at the recurring revenue and start building and getting people using your product and seeing them pay you each and every month because they just love using your product, that is the power of software. That is the power of recurring revenue. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little backstory of why I chose software, and hopefully it's a big reason of why you're choosing software too, because recurring revenue is extremely powerful. So thanks everybody. Again, like the video, share it with your friends, and have a wonderful day.